We're making burgers today. I've been on the internet, you know me. I'm not chronically on the internet, but I'm on the internet and I see these videos of these old people, these old ass people trying to remake McDonald's burgers. They make the most gourmet thing ever. I don't know what they're on about. It's a McDonald's. We don't go in there and make the most gourmet thing ever. We make McDonald's burgers. I don't sit there putting raw meat together into a patty and then put that onto the grill and then grill it and then put it onto your burger that has all these expensive ass toppings. We don't do that at McDonald's. Who do you think we are? Instead, what we do is what I'm about to show you, okay? This is a step-by-step, I hope. What you're gonna need is tomato sauce. You're gonna need mustard. This is the American mustard. It's mild, but it's made in Australia. I don't know how that works. You're gonna need bread, okay? Now, this is just classic beef. Jeez, that was rock hard. We're gonna make a cheeseburger, and you need some cheese. Cheese in a cheeseburger? I must be a genius. Those things, right here, you need this to make this. And I work at a McDonald's. So step one, it's really simple. You need this. It's called a pan. It's a frying pan. I feel scared right now because not only is Ronald McDonald behind camera with he is also holding up letters for me. And this one here says, don't cook it at home. Ask a parent to just take you to McDonald's. It's much cheaper and safer than doing it at home. Alright, so now we just let it cook. Now look here, we got a plate. We put the plate down. That's still cooking. That's gonna be cooking for a while. While that's cooking over there, let me give you guys a story time, okay? When I was at the start of this year, it was a barbecue. I had some meat, whatever. Went home, felt a bit sick, and I got sick, throwing up all over the place. And when I tried to sleep, this guy, his name was Uncle Bill, and he would shoot at people in the mountains, and he would drink this blue liquid to stay sane, even though he was the least sane person I've ever imagined. And one time, because you need to sleep on your side if you're gonna throw up, because then if you're sleeping like this, facing the roof, you throw up and it gets stuck and you die. So you have to sleep on your side. So right, I was sleeping on my side and I turned. In the dream I turned. And then Uncle Bill walks into my room and he's like, boy, what are you doing? You need to turn around. You're gonna throw up. So I turned around and fell out of bed. And that's how I know that he was real. Because I fell. He wasn't real, but I fell because I turned too much. So don't get food poisoning. Uncle Bill will chase you down. I'm fine with it being overcooked if it means I don't get food poisoning, because I don't want to meet Uncle Bill again. Now, when it's almost ready, we need to quickly set up everything, because that's how they do it at McDonald's. So it's nice and hot when it gets in there. Guys, look, listen. I want to hit 1,000 by the end of the year, okay? Or at least 200 by the end of the year. Subscribe, will ya? You make my dreams come true. And again, don't make this at home, okay? Don't make it at home. I don't want you to get sick. If I could, I'd get my viewers free healthcare, but you know, I ain't a government, so... Hey, look, listen, I thought I'd get in trouble for making a McDonald's video because it's McDonald's and they don't like company secrets, but it's literally a burger. I don't know, how difficult is it actually to make a burger? It's just an upgraded version of a sandwich. Like, it's not complicated. Everyone knows how to make one. Meat, mayonnaise, ketchup, bread, cheese. It's a cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. It's not complicated. Imagine my biggest secret was like, I don't know, how to make cereal. Like, you know how to make cereal. Everyone knows how to make cereal. So everyone knows how to make burgers. It's really simple. There's no company secret. I'm not telling everyone how exactly everything is made. I'm just making a burger. And I work at McDonald's, so it like influences me in the way that I make a burger. Like naturally I'll just have bread and meat. But now that I work there, I know cheese and mustard and ketchup. Like, this is how you prepare the buns. So you get some. There it is. You get your mayo. Imagine that there is a circle in the middle of the bun. Put it like a triangle almost. So at the tip of every triangle, right? And then tomato sauce. The same thing. We got it right now. Put the meat on it, and then the cheese. Cheese. Smack it on the meat. Voila, now you got your McDonald's burger. Would obviously wrap it. Let's give this burger here that I've just made a nice try. It's cooked enough, probably. I hope. Don't make this at home. Do not copy me. Let's give it a taste. It's good. It's a burger. Now obviously, don't make this at home. The bread, the tomato sauce, even the meat, in total, cost me like $25. And I had a discount. McDonald's does it for $4. How? I don't know. Why are you asking me? I just work there. I don't know anything. I'd rather you go to a McDonald's and get some proper food instead of make it at home and then maybe mess it up. Just go to McDonald's. It's much easier. This is a pretty good burger though. I'm not gonna lie. So here it is. Unknown liquid and a nice burger to eat. Just go to McDonald's. It's $4. $6 maybe if you get the drink. And you get free fries. Would you look at that? The cheese melted near the end of the burger.